Did you know that one small crack in your stucco can eventually lead to thousands of dollars of damage to your home? Hi, I'm Patrick Van Berger with Seacoast Stone and Stucco, and I've been a stucco and painting contractor in the area for over 25 years. Stucco and stone will make your home look great for many years with proper care and maintenance. Even with regular maintenance, stucco cracks can and will happen. If taken care of in the early stages, you can stop water intrusion and major hidden damage to your home. On the other hand, if stucco cracks are left unrepaired for any length of time, your home will eventually have major hidden damage caused by water intrusion like mold, wood rot, termites, and stucco buckling. For a limited time, I am offering a free, no-obligation stucco inspection of your home. If we find you have any stucco problems or damage, I will go over the proper procedure to fix any issues and what you can do to prevent them from happening again in the future. All you need to do next is put all your information in the form on this page, and I will contact you to set up a convenient time for us to meet and inspect your home. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to meeting you.